Hi viewers, I am going to do potato savory rolls. So we will see how those potato savory roll is going to be done as something different to the normal preparation. So we will see how it is being done. Okay. Before I do that, I have to just explain what I have prepared and kept also. So slowly we will go through what we have to do now. I have taken 350 grams potatoes, boiled and mashed. Boiled and mashed potatoes that I have taken. Right. Then I am using carrot. Steam the carrot, and that also I have mashed it, slightly mash it and have it. Not slightly, I have nicely mashed and have this also. Along with that, I am using beans. Whatever you like you can use. I am using beans also, steamed and mashed. That is also done. Onions and garlic, that also you nicely mince it and have it ready. That too we will mix it. All these ingredients together, all that I have: potatoes boiled, carrots and beans steamed and nicely mince it and keep it ready. Along with that, now I am going to use chili pieces, 2 strips of bacon I have taken, and chicken roll. I have taken the chicken roll, and that also I have taken about 6 pieces of chicken roll, and I am using coriander leaves. All that together I am going to slightly chop it up. Okay, that's enough. Now we will have this ready. This also I have kept it ready. So we will see how we are going to use that now. Now I am taking this. Now I am going to use my gloves. Say about 4 dessert spoons of flour used. We will see whether it's enough for dessert spoons or not. It depends on the potatoes. Sometimes the potatoes are a little watery, sometimes it's not. It's very dry and hard. So we will see. It's nice. I have used all the ingredients: pepper, salt, chili pieces, all that we have put. I have already made a nice preparation for you. So now we will see what we are going to do for this also. I will put this and roll it. See the bacon and the chicken roll. I will put and nicely roll it, right. Place this roll on this foil with a little oil I have put now. So we will have it like that. I am going to bake this for about 40 minutes. It depends, maybe 30 to 40 minutes we have to bake this. So we will bake and see how it comes. We are going to bake this for 30 to 40 minutes. So we will see how it's going to be baked for 30 to 40 minutes. 180 centigrades, 360 Fahrenheit, you bake and take it. After it's taken, we'll see what we are going to do it. See, now we have baked this and taken. So now once it's baked and taken, we will see what we have to do for this. Tomato paste. I need tomato paste for this. about a tablespoon, and I need water, about 1.5 teaspoons of corn flour. Mix it nicely. The tomato paste I have taken, tomato paste which we took it, a tablespoon, then a little salt, pepper, and I am using thyme. About a half a teaspoon of thyme to get the flavor. Salt, pepper, and we are using thyme with the tomato paste. Tomato paste I have taken, so we will use the tomato paste also. We will now see what we are going to do. We will cook this now till it gets thickened. We keep stirring. Corn flour we added, 1 tablespoon tomato paste. Either you can use tomato sauce or tomato paste. Tomato paste is better. And half a cup of water, corn flour 1.5 teaspoon, salt, pepper, and thyme half a teaspoon. We used all this and cooking. Lovely, lovely. Now we will take it off. Now I am going to pour over this. So delicious, so nice and tasty. So we will pour it over. Now we will do the decoration for it. It's a delicious preparation. It's nice to serve as a meal. Parsley too, we can eat it. So nice to have. Now what I am going to do is, over this I am going to pour a little bit of olive oil on the vegetable. Right, olive oil to serve with, so that it will be nice and delicious to have a preparation like this to serve with, right? So this itself is looking like a full meal. You can have it, or you can have with dinner buns, garlic bread, or whatever you like. So this is the best preparation, I would say, to make it and see how it comes. Just wanted to show you how it looks. Can you see that? With all the filling and all that, it looks really nice. What do you think about this potato savory roll? Actually, it's nice and delicious. We have put carrot, we have put beans, we have used sausage, that is like bacon, and the chicken roll, all that is coming into it, and with the salad. So you can serve this as a full meal for dinner. So try it out and see how it comes, because this is something different, I would say. All preparations that I do, you will enjoy if you also try it out. Because next episode I will bring out something else, some delicious nice preparation. Till then, please wait, and you know what to do. Press the you have to subscribe and press the bell icon. You will get all my recipes and I will do new recipes. Please keep watching because 2022 we are doing different preparation, and of course all these years I have been doing different type of preparation which you have been enjoying, and I hope you will enjoy more and more preparation with all these delicious preparations that I have done. So see you soon with the next episode. Bye from me now.